You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, the name of this famous battle, offensive from World War I. For more names from history, make sure to stay tuned. Meuse, that's the name of a river, and Argonne is another river. So that's your French pronunciation here. Meuse-Argonne. Meuse-Argonne. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Meuse-Argonne. Meuse-Argonne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.